today just doesn't go how you want it to. The twins are both screaming today, really upset, and I'm on edge today. I'm on edge. So yeah, I'm going out. I'm gonna go shopping with my sister, but I'm kind of thinking it's not even gonna be worth it, to be honest. I need to call my sister because I'm now really late. So we've arrived and everyone's still crying and they've been crying the whole time. That's tricky. Yeah. Nice big lift for all of us. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Girls are absolutely shattered, and I think the reason they're crying so much is because they were just tired.